Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English Through Passage. This is the fourth part of the 7 habits of highly effective people. Today's passage name is Principles of Personal Vision. So now let's start. As you read this book, try to stand apart from yourself. Try to project your consciousness upward into a corner of the room and see yourself in your mind's eye reading. Can you look at yourself almost as though you were someone else? Now try something else. Think about the mood you are now in. Can you identify it? What are you feeling? How would you describe your present mental state? Now think for a minute about how your mind is working. Is it quick and alert? Do you sense that you are torn between doing this mental exercise and evaluating the point to be made out of it? Your ability to do what you just did is uniquely human. Animals do not possess this ability. We call it self awareness or the ability to think about your very thought process. This is the reason why man is dominion over all things in the world and why he can make significant advances from generation to generation. This is why we can evaluate and learn from others' experiences as well as our own. This is also why we can make and break our habits. We are not our feelings, we are not our moods, we are not even our thoughts. The very fact from the animal world. Self awareness enables us to stand apart and examine even the way we see ourselves, our self paradigms, the most fundamental paradigms of effectiveness. It affects not only our attitudes and behaviors but how we see other people. It becomes our map of the basic nature of mankind. In fact, until we take how we see ourselves and how we see others into account, we will be unable to understand how others see and feel about themselves and their world. Unaware, we will project our intentions on their behavior and call ourselves objective. This significantly limits our personal potential and our ability to relate to others as well. But because of the unique human capacity of self awareness, we can examine our paradigms to determine whether they are reality or principle based or if they are a function of conditioning and conditions. Vocabulary: consciousness, it means sense, awareness, intellect. Evaluating, it means define, judge, estimate. Dominion, it means supremacy. Supremacy. Generation, it means a stage of life. Descent. Fundamental, it means basics, essential. Intentions, it means motive, idea, purpose. Significantly, it means notably, remarkably. Thank you.